Last week, Joel and Guido headed to the Netherlands with one mission: catch pike over 1 meter and a zander over 80 centimeters. This is day 1 of 6 and the last day of the heat wave. With the water temperature close to 25 degrees Celsius, they knew the fishing wouldn't be easy. It didn't take long before Guido landed the first fish of the trip, even if it was a small one. Later in the day, a short storm triggered some fish activity. Joel landed his first pike, and Guido hooked another one. Not the easiest start, but the trip was underway. See you tomorrow for day 2.